Hello everyone, welcome back to TechFreaks Info. Today we are going to talk about a crucial aspect on engine maintenance. If you are experiencing any issues with your crankshaft, handling a crankshaft with excess runout, stick around and we will guide you through the process of inspection, repair and replacement. Let's get started. Before going into the video, I want to tell you that this is our fifth video on this series. The first one was inspecting a crankshaft to determine if it can be reused or we need to replace it or repair it. Watch that video, and in that video we specifically mentioned about all these other aspects to be checked, and today we are talking in detail only about excessive runout. So the other stuff have been covered in our previous video, so if you want to know about them, have a look at our channel. Okay, let's get back to the topic. First thing first, what is a crankshaft runout anyway? Runout refers to the wobbling or deviation of the crankshaft's rotational axis. Axis runout can cause engine vibration, reduce performance and premature wear. Step 2. Inspecting your crankshaft. So first you have to remove your crankshaft. Start by removing the crankshaft from the engine. Make sure that you follow your vehicle's service manual to understand the proper procedure. Number 2. Clean the crankshaft. Clean your crankshaft thoroughly. This will help you to remove any dirt or oil. Number 3. Check the runout using a dial gauge. Set up a dial gauge on a stable base and position the gauge tip against the crankshaft. Rotate the crankshaft and observe the dial gauge. Note the maximum and minimum reading to determine your runout deviations. Now step 3, assessing the damage. So in assessing the damage, let's compare the readings. Compare your runout readings, what you have written down, with the manufacturer's specifications, which is mentioned in the OEM service manuals. So if the runout exceeds the limit as per the manual, then it's time for you to take action. And number 2, check for other issues. Look for additional signs of damage such as cracks or scoring. This could indicate deeper problems. Step 4, how to repair the crankshaft. First one, you have to check the main journals. If the runout is within a tolerable limit, you might need to grind the main journals. So this will help you to fix the minor runout, only in case of minor runouts. Number 2 is balancing. Ensure that your crankshaft is properly balanced after any grinding or modifications. This will help in reducing vibrations. Now let's talk about replacing the crankshaft. Number 1, when to replace. If the runout is excessive as per the readings and cannot be repaired, or if the crankshaft is severely damaged, replacing it might be your best option. Now you need to choose the right crankshaft. Make sure that you find a replacement that matches your engine's specifications. Now it's time to install the crankshaft. Follow the service manual instructions for the installation process. Ensure that you have done the proper alignment and tightening or torquing of the bolts as per the OEM specifications. To conclude, that's how you handle a crankshaft with a excess runout. Remember, maintenance and regular inspections can help you prevent these type of scenarios. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. We'll definitely respond to you. And as I said, this is a series of videos in this particular fashion. Please go and have a look at our channel to go into other content which is relevant to the crankshaft repair. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.